Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how to create these faux dreadlocks inspired by Rihanna's look in the movie Ocean 8 that just got released. For this look, I'm using Justine Dancer from Ever After High. I also use kanekelon hair in a matching hair color. I cut the hair in half and separate two small sections, two bigger sections, and an even bigger section. To start, I take a section of hair that I want to create the lock with and separate it vertically into two. I place the biggest section of kanekelon hair in between this part, clipping the two ends of kanekelon hair out of the way. Now you want to take that section you previously split in half and separate it into three equal sections so you can make a simple 3-strand braid. In this braid, I add one of the smallest strands of kanekelon hair to make it longer than the original doll hair. After braiding it a couple of times, I add another small strand of hair to the section that doesn't have any added hair yet. When you're almost out of the doll's original hair, you want to add one of the bigger sections of kanekelon. After you've attached that first strand of kanekelon, you want to add the other one as well to make sure the braid will kind of keep the same volume all the way down. Now you want to go back to the kanekelon hair you secured in the base of the braid. You can slide this strand to make sure one end is really long and the other one is shorter. Be careful because you don't want to pull out that strand completely. Then, you simply want to start wrapping the long end of the kanekelon hair around the braid really tightly to make sure you cover up the entire braid. When you don't have enough hair to cover the entire length of the braid, you can simply wrap the braid as far down as you can and then add another strand of hair a little bit back on the twist to make it transition perfectly. When you finish the lock, you can simply tie it with an elastic and cut off the rest. To make these locks lay a little bit flatter, I dunk the hair in warm water. This loosens up the hairstyle a bit to make it look less stiff. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you try out this look as well, make sure to post it on Instagram, tagging me. And if you want to see more of my doll restyles, make sure to check me out on Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!